Using Betterment email alerts is a great way to stay on top of your investments and financial goals. To get started, it is essential to understand the benefits of these alerts. Betterment email alerts provide you with timely updates on your account activity, portfolio performance, and important market news. The first step is to set up your email alerts. This can be done by logging into your Betterment account and navigating to the Settings section. From there, you can choose which types of alerts you want to receive, such as deposits, withdrawals, and portfolio rebalancing. One of the key benefits of using Betterment email alerts is that they help you stay informed about your account activity. For example, if you have set up an alert for large transactions, you will receive an email notification if there is an unusual withdrawal from your account. This helps you quickly identify and respond to any potential issues. Another benefit of Betterment email alerts is that they provide you with valuable insights into your portfolio performance. You can set up alerts to notify you when your portfolio has reached a certain milestone or when there are changes in the market that may affect your investments. To get the most out of Betterment email alerts, it is essential to customize them to fit your needs. This means setting up alerts that are relevant to your financial goals and investment strategy. For instance, if you are saving for a specific goal, such as a down payment on a house, you can set up an alert to notify you when your portfolio reaches a certain value. Best practices for using Betterment email alerts include regularly reviewing and updating your alert settings to ensure they remain relevant to your financial situation. It is also essential to keep your contact information up to date so that you can receive alerts in a timely manner. In conclusion, using Betterment email alerts is a great way to stay informed about your investments and financial goals. By setting up and customizing these alerts, you can receive timely updates on your account activity and portfolio performance, and make informed decisions about your investments.